Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we have a very simple task, actually. As you can see back there, this is the desk setup that I have. Some lights, some corner lights and stuff. So what we're going to do, and let me change. What we're going to do is to put a floor mat tapis here. As you all can see, this is the setup that I have. This is the desktop. This is the Arozzi Arena Moto. It's really nice. And I have this beautiful chair from Secret Labs, but if we go on a long coding night session, for instance, perhaps moving the wheels there on the chair might be problematic. And this is the reason why I'm going to set up a floor mat tapis from Arozzi itself. So, as you can see, all that black and then white on I had to go for the white one. So let's install it. So as you can hear, this noise can be accompanied by vibrations in the floor and just the construction itself of the building makes us a little bit noisy at 1 or 2 a.m. So, and if you can see here, there's a nice description. It's 115 per 115 centimeters or 45 by 45. Also, it has 5 millimeter thick protective floor mat, and it does not slip. So it's really, that's the main reason why I chose it. And obviously because I already got the okay, let's open up this baby boy. And as you can see, it's just that. Let me just remove this. To help it a little bit. So this is what you get. It's really comfy and soft and nice. So noisy. Well, you can see here, so this is really nice. Well, as you can see, looks really nice. You can make it to go further there, but I have my, well, it all depends on, oh man, it doesn't, you heard it. This is really nice. I think it's a good space, even up on here, so I can leave enough room to move it back without having to compromise much going further there. So I believe this is really nice. Looks really nice. So let's turn off the lights.
Okay.
No, now it looks really comfy now. I won't have to worry about bothering my poor neighbors because I have to move, I can't stay quiet with that kind of chair. So I really hope this helps you know there's nearly zero noise now. So it's really comfortable as well. So as you can see here, there's still some room for improvements. Like we want to have a cord handler here and also probably a really nice speaker here. So that's what we're going to do. So I told you it will be a really short thing to do, but the setup looks cleaner now and also less noise overnight. So thank you again for watching. Subscribe if you still haven't, and I appreciate the support. Thank you.